Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So this is the fourth video of this series, Agentforce Custom Scorer. So in the last three video, we talked about uh, what is custom scorer, and then we understand a prompt template of type measurement and prompt template of type Agentforce Scorer multi-level. In this video, we are going to create a prompt template of type Agentforce Scorer open-ended. So basically, we understand the difference. Measurement returns you a number 0, 1, 2, 3. The multi-level returns you a pick list, basically a text it will return. And in the open-ended, it's up to you. You can return a paragraph, you can return a number, you can return a JSON. It's up to you. So what you want to return. So what we are going to do is we are going to create Agentforce Scorer open-ended one, and we will be using the same AI agent. We have this agent called lead insight agent. So we will be evaluating this agent session trace lead insight dimension evaluation. Okay, so basically, yeah, and going to click on next. So here, uh, yeah, I'm going to use this prompt. Basically, let me copy here. So what this prompt is doing is, if I make it a little bigger, so I'm saying that this is your role. You are an AI agent. Your role is to evaluate an AI agent conversation. Your task is to read the transcript between the lead insight agent and sales representative and produce a structured evaluation of overall lead lookup experience. So, and in the instruction, I have provided like what to return for each of these dimensions. So, was filter usability, how is result relevance, hallucination race, autoposcope signal, and overall experience. So I given these parameters to evaluate, and also I'm passing here conversation transcript. So basically, if you click here, what I did is let me let me remove it and do it again. So I can click on Salesforce data action, and then can we configure Salesforce data over here, and then I want to use get session. Basically, this is one way, and I can click on session and then session and apply. And I want to use chat transcript. I don't want to use topics. I just want to use chat transcript. So I got it, chat transcript. Another option is like I can just say session and then session. So both is fine. Basically, it's doing the same thing. So let me do one thing. Let me take it out. Let me remove this and just use the input session over here, and I can click on save and preview. So I'm going to pass the session details. I have explained this in the previous video also. So whenever a Agentforce customer scorer runs, it creates AI job run object record. Under AI job run, it has a child object called AI job run item, which will have input sent to the scorer. So this is the scorer run, and this is the input. It will have response, state, error message. There are a lot of other fields. So what I'm going to do is now I'm going to paste the JSON over here and click on preview. So if you see, it will run, and yeah, I asked it to return this JSON format data, right? So if you see, it returned me the output exactly. For filter usability, value is poor. For result relevance, value is not applicable. So it returned me that. What if I let me do one more thing? So if I remove the input session, and instead of that, I will add the get session and transcript and click on save and preview again. What it will do? So it should work again. Yes, so it worked, right? It given me the same stuff. So yeah, I mean, this is called open-ended. So because I asked to give me output for each of these parameter as a JSON, it given me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on activate. So now let's take a quick look. So if I go back now in the prompt template. So as part of this series, we have created a couple of prompt template. So one is this one, multi-level. We have created friction eval for field, friction eval for lead insight agent, then field completeness. So this is multi-level, this is measurement, and this one we just now created for evaluating it on the multi-dimension. So now we have three different prompt template. In the next video, we are going to create three different scorer metadata binded with this particular agent. So those prompt template will be bind with this agent through a scorer metadata, so that anytime a session gets completed and a trace is gets logged in the data cloud, so this scorer should get automatically run if it is active. And it depends on the sample size, right? I talked about that in one of my previous videos. So if you basically here, right, you have all the evaluations. So if you click on manage AI scorer, it was there is a release happened yesterday, I think, and we got better session and intent as well. We will talk about this later, but yeah, you can see all the scorer now here, and I have a lot of scorers here. So it is only showing the scorers related to this agent, right? It's easy now. So I'm going to add three more scorer over here as part of this video in this video series. Stay tuned in the next video. Thank you for watching.